I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making a couscous salad. This is different from your typical pasta salad, but it's just as delicious. You can eat it warm or cold. So, let's start. First of all, put some regular water in the pan with the couscous and heat this up. Put in a garlic clove and some freshly ground black pepper. I love the taste of cumin, so I put some cumin powder in it as well, but you can add whatever you prefer to use. Stir everything together. Once the water has come to a boil, remove it from the heat and put on the lid and leave it to sit for around 10 minutes or until the couscous has absorbed all the water. Slice a lemon in half and squeeze in all the juice to the couscous. Slice a cucumber. Oops, this one doesn't want to be cut. Slice it in small pieces. Just run your knife through it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Cut up some fresh parsley and add this to the cucumbers. Once the couscous is ready, squeeze in the garlic clove we added earlier and mix it into the couscous. Add in the cucumber with the parsley. And add some candied tomatoes we made in the previous episode. Hit the link above to watch how I've made it. Mix everything together. Put it into a nice bowl and squeeze over some extra lemon juice for freshness. And that's it! I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I see you in the next one.